Good morning. Happy Friday. It's now June 12th, um, end of the school year. Wow. Who would have thought that we would end our school year in 2020 like this? I wouldn't have thought that at all. So, pluses and minuses. We've had good things, we've had bad things about the school year. When I say bad things, I just mean unfortunate things like having this whole virus affect our world, really. So many of you have probably found out that you may like this type of instruction. Many of you probably figure out, I don't like this type of instruction. Really, we have to make the best of what we can, and we can only do what we can do. So please, always try your best when you're working at these school assignments. This remote learning is not easy. It's not fun for anybody. I really miss seeing my students and having face-to-face interaction with the students. This seems so much more distant. And yes, I know it's distance learning, but it just doesn't feel right to me. I really dislike it, but hey, what are we going to do? Not much we can do except roll with it. So please do your best to get everything in for this semester. Um, this week was really a catch-up week, although I've noticed not that many people did not turn in their assignments that were due last Friday have turned them in this week. So unfortunately, I think some of you are, maybe saving this work for the end. If you quickly slap something together and call it done, it'll probably show in the final product. But hey, I know some of you are struggling, just doing your best. So please just do your very best that you can do, and we'll go from there. Okay. So please check School Tool. Make sure you get everything turned in as quickly as possible. You will have 3 days next week as well to turn in your assignments. School year ends on Wednesday for you guys. So at that point, you should have all your work in, and that way I can grade it and I can give you some feedback. Now, obviously, if you give me something earlier and there's something significantly wrong with it, I can unsubmit it back to you so that you can make repairs to that project before it's graded. If you wait till Wednesday to turn everything in, that option goes away. So, something to keep in mind. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Enjoy the day. It's sunny out. It's a little cooler today, but it's really sunny, which is nice. A little breezy though, which good, bad, kind of, I don't know, a little bit of both. Okay, take care. We'll see you guys later.